Welcome, everyone. Hello, hello. Happy Sunday. I'm so excited to be here today. I want to share with you, well, first of all, do you know what the Legacy Builder Blueprint is? That's what I want to ask you. And I want to share with you a little bit more about that because this has been absolutely life-changing for me, and I know it can be for you too. The Legacy Builder program provides a step-by-step guide to help you link your done-for-you system to your personal business brand. It covers all the details on what digital marketing is and how you can get started. What I love most about this program is the freedom it offers, and it's allowed me to help more grandmas and retirees supplement their pensions while they're building their own legacies at the same time, with up to 4 different streams of income for one single upfront cost. The program also includes a huge support community. And, this community is actually the #1 community on the school platform. And, it's growing so fast every day. And as well as getting that and a one-time cost, you also get a myriad of valuable bonuses, all of which I have previously spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on without achieving the same level of success that I am here. With the Legacy Builder, these resources are all inclusive in that one-time cost. One cost and so much more that you get for that one-time cost. And there's no monthly expenses that you need to keep paying every month to keep your website going, to keep you in the program. Once you're in and paid for, once you are in. Plus, any sales made by your upline are not shared with you. Sorry, any sales that you make are not shared with your upline, creating a true win-win-win. So if you're interested in learning more, simply type interested in the comments below. I've got a plan in place so that you can get started straight away and still not have to pay all the costs up front. When you look at this system, we have got the launch pad, the passive daily pay, the digital mastery program, and the legacy builder programs. This is 4 income streams that you get when you come in at the legacy builder level. Depending on where you start will depend on how many streams of income you get. But I can tell you, again, this is the best decision that I've ever made. And I want to be able to help more people in their retirement do more of this with me. And why? Because you get 100% of any resale rights that you sell. There is absolutely no sharing your profits with me or anyone else. So until tomorrow, I look forward to seeing you then. Let's chat very, very soon, and have an amazing rest of your Sunday. Bye for now.